Hi, hello. In today's class, we are going to learn kinds of a noun. See here. The boy is playing. The boy is playing. In this, which is a noun? Yes, boy is noun. In the second sentence, Anu is playing. In second sentence, Anu is playing. Here which is a noun? Yes, Anu is noun. Here we said that boy is playing. But we don't know which boy is playing. But here we know Anu is playing. The particular child is playing. Today we are going to learn common noun and proper noun. Today we are going to learn common noun and proper noun. Kinds of nouns. Common nouns, proper nouns. Common nouns, teacher, chips, dishwash bar, pencil, biscuits, marker, mobile. These all comes under the common noun. Common is a word. It is a common. We don't know what it is. Exact thing. For example, teacher. There are many teachers in our school. Yes. See, there will be a name for a particular teacher. Yes. For example, see here. Teacher. Satya. It is a proper noun. It is a particular person name. It is a particular person name. Okay, teacher is a common noun. Proper noun Satya is a proper noun. The next, chips. There are many chips are available. Which chips we want? Which chips you like? For example, see here. Chips is a common noun. Bingo is a proper noun. Bingo. Okay, we are pointing out. We are telling the particular chips. Particular chips name. That is bingo. Bingo chips. Particular chips name. Coming to the dishwash bar. There are many dishwash bar. Which dishwash bar? If your mom asks to buy and come the dishwash bar, which one you will buy? If you go and ask the shopkeeper, he will ask immediately which one you need, child. So that see, it is a common. If we tell it is a Vim, so it is a proper noun. Vim is a proper noun. We are telling the particular name of the bar. Okay, it is Vim. It is Vim. It is Vim. The next one, pencil. There are many pencil, right? Pencil is a common noun. But here see, Apsara, Camlin, Natraja. There are many pencil. Okay, this is particular name of the pencil. Apsara. Apsara. Apsara pencil. The next one, biscuit. There are many biscuit, right? Oreo, Jim Jam, hide and seek, and Parle-G. Biscuit is a common noun. Parle-G is proper noun. We are asking the particular biscuit. It is a proper noun. Parle-G. Okay. The next one, marker. See, I have 2, 3, 4 marker. But I use only the Camlin. I use only the Camlin. This is proper noun. Marker is a common noun. See, there is a particular name for marker. It is a Camlin or Cello. There are many marker. Okay? Yes. Camlin. Camlin. The next, mobile. there are many mobiles, right? There are Samsung, Nokia, Nokia mobile. Mobile is a common noun. Nokia is a particular mobile. Okay, this is a Nokia mobile. Have you noticed one thing? See, this side I am using only the small letters. I didn't use a capital letter, whereas here I am using only the capital letter. It is a proper noun. It begins with the capital letter. Okay, in the common noun, it is a common person, common things, common places, common. Whereas in proper noun, the particular person, particular place, particular things, okay, the particular animal, okay, and it begins with the capital letter. Okay, this is common noun, this is proper noun. We'll see some more examples. Month. Month is a common noun. March. It is a proper noun. Again I am using the capital letter. Proper noun begins with a capital letter. The next, day. Sunday. Sunday. Day is a common noun. Sunday is proper noun. Sunday is proper noun. Festival. Diwali. Diwali. Okay, it is a proper noun. Festival is a many festival. Ramzan, Bakrid, Pongal, Independence Day, okay, Republic Day. These all comes under the festival. Diwali. There are many ice cream, right? But see here, Arun ice cream. Meaning the name of the ice cream. Okay, the particular name we are mentioning. So it is a Arun ice cream. Arun ice cream. Okay, yes, we'll recall one more time. Noun, kinds of noun, common noun, proper noun. Common noun which does not have any particular name. It does not have any particular name, person, place or thing. Okay, whereas proper noun has a particular name. It has a particular name. This is the difference between common and proper noun. I hope you understood. If not, kindly rewatch the video. If you not subscribed my channel, kindly do it.